I take immense pleasure in requesting our Reverend Father Martin, an honorable person of valor and values, to deliver the Independence Day address.
Do not follow where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. A pleasant good morning to all. Reverend Sister Jaislyn, the principal, Reverend Sisters, respected teachers, loving students, parents and well-wishers. Wish you all prosperous days ahead as we celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our nation today. We gloriously proclaim the independence of our nation, and we take pride to be the citizens of this nation where unity in diversity is highlighted and accepted. The day-to-day living in this pandemic-stricken period has forced us to confine ourselves in various ways, and at times we regret and complain of these circumstances. Parker J. Palmer says, our inner world has a reality and a power that can keep us from being victims of circumstance and compel us to take responsibility for our own lives. Today, the vast majority fell as victims of circumstances and toiled the destiny, spending time in criticisms and justifications, or rather with sheer excuses. This Independence Day celebration should make us aware that there is an inner reality which empowers us to be responsible in any given situations, rather complying with mediocrity and duplicity. It is hard to be justified in thoughts and deeds today. But dear students, you are made capable for the same in this institution, DePaul School, Bisoli. Irrespective of the difficulties and the differences, we need to march forward hand in hand to create a new world, a world of peace, harmony, cooperation, collaboration, prosperity, etc. It's our responsibility. Dear parents, I take this opportunity to appreciate you for making your children part of this institution where they will be molded in values and thereby grow up to be the responsible citizens of this glorious nation. I expect your cooperation to instill the values in their life. Be a model to your children in your words and in your actions. My dear teachers, you have a greater role in the future of this nation. Pledge to be sincere and dutiful in your endeavor of leading these young minds to become responsible in their life. It's more your deeds than words which will be motivate the students. Be proud to be part of this institution and accomplish the vision and mission of this institution. देशभक्ति का मतलब सिर्फ तिरंगा लहराना ही नहीं, बल्कि ईमानदारी और वफादारी से देश को सशक्त बनाना, एक दूसरे को इज्जत के साथ स्वीकार करना आदि है। लाल बहादुर शास्त्री ने कहा, लोगों को सच्चा लोकतंत्र कभी भी असत्य और हिंसा से प्राप्त नहीं हो सकता। अनुशासन, अच्छा संस्कार, हमारी संस्कृति का पालन हमें देशभक्त बनाता है। इसलिए हमारे विद्यालय में पढ़ाई के साथ साथ अनुशासन को महत्व देते हुए बच्चों के सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए मेहनत करते हैं। स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देते हुए मैं आग्रह करता हूं, बच्चों उन नेताओं के बलिदानों को याद करें जिन्होंने हमें आज़ादी दिलाई। साथ साथ उस आज़ादी को बनाए रखने का प्रतिज्ञा करें कि हम ईमानदारी से अपने कर्तव्यों को पूरा करेंगे, एक दूसरे के भलाई के लिए मेहनत करेंगे और हमारे देश का नाम ऊंचा रखेंगे। दिस इज़ माई विश एंड प्रेयर फॉर यू। गॉड ब्लेस यू। जय हिंद। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, dear Father, for your valuable words. It really pathfinder for us, and it will give us inspiration in future journey. Thank you.